Experiencing Optus internet issues indicated by a red light on your modem? This section will help you understand what that red light means and start the troubleshooting process. Typically, a red light, often labeled online or internet, indicates that your modem has lost its connection to the Optus network, be it NBN or 5G. The first step is to power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset often resolves temporary glitches. While that is happening, you should inspect all the cables connected to your modem and wall for any damage or loose connections. Ensure everything is securely plugged in. If the red light persists after the power cycle and cable check, proceed to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If a simple reset doesn't fix the red light, further troubleshooting is required based on your connection type. For NBN connections including FTTP, FTTN, and HFC, use the Optus app to check the status of your NBN connection device. Try resetting the NCD or contact NBN Co. for a line test if issues persist. For 5G connections, the problem might be signal interference. Check for any obstructions between your modem and the nearest 5G tower. Try moving your modem to a different location or use an external antenna to improve signal strength. You can also manually switch to a lower frequency band like 4G in your device settings for a more stable connection. As a last resort, use a speed test tool like Ookla to check your internet speed. If issues continue, it may be necessary to escalate to Optus support for further assistance.